Greetings to one and all. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 3.1 from chapter Polynomials. First question. In P of x is equal to 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6. What is the coefficient of x power 5? So, coefficient of x power 5, the number which is present in front of the x power 5 will become the coefficient of x power 5. So in front of the x power 5, we have a minus 6. Including with the sign, we need to write. So it is a minus 6 is the answer. Degree of p of x. The highest power in the expression will become the degree. Each and every term you need to check the power. So the highest power in the expression will become the degree. So here 7, 5, 1 is there, and here nothing is there means 0. So 7 is the highest power. This will become the degree of this expression. Constant term. What is the constant term? So without the variable, this is the number alone is constant term. It is simply minus 6. Whenever we are giving answer, we should include with the with their signs, negative or positive. Okay. So here it is a positive, no need to mention, but negative sign compulsory we need to mention. Second question. State which of the following statements are true and which are false. Give reason for your choice. So why it is true, why it is false. We need to mention a reason also. First one. The degree of the polynomial root 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2. Just now we discussed in the above question. Degree is nothing but the highest power of the term, highest power in the expression. But if we see here, root 2 is x square coefficient. It is not the degree, right? So this is a false statement. False. What is the reason? Root 2 is the x square coefficient. Root 2 is x square coefficient. It's not a degree. Next. The coefficient of x square in the polynomial 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7 is 2. So coefficient of x square means in front of the x square, what is the constant we have? A minus 4. But they said it is a 2. So definitely it is a false statement. So you need to write coefficient of x square is minus 4. Coefficient of x square is minus 4 answer. The degree of the constant term is 0. We discussed in the previous video when we discussed in the concept. I already told this point. The degree of the constant term is 0. True. Okay, what is the reason? Because the constant term is the variable by its power is 0. The degree of any constant is 0. So degree of any constant is 0. Or you can mention because the constant term is the variable by its power is 0. Okay. Next, fourth bit. 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. Even though it has the highest, it's a degree 2, it can't be a quadratic polynomial. Why? Because 1 by x square is nothing but here x power minus 2. Okay, x power minus 2 minus 5, x power minus 1 plus 6, it becomes. So this is a false because polynomial means an algebraic expression which contains a positive integral powers only, non-negative integral powers. So this is a false. This is a false because it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. This is the reason it is false. Next, Fifth bit. Degree of a polynomial is 1 more than the number of terms in it. See, degree is nothing but the highest power in the expression. But in the question they mentioned that it's a one more than the number of terms in it. No, not at all. So this is a false statement. There is no connection between the terms and degree. Okay. So we can write the same. And between, there is no connection between degree and term. Right? So in this way, we can answer our questions. Either it is a false or true. What is the reason also we can mention. Okay. Next, coming to the third question. If P of t is equal to t cube minus 1, find the values of P of 1, P of minus 1, P of 0, P of 2, P of minus 2. I already mentioned in the concept video the value of the polynomial. Whatever the variable value you are substituting, so that by simplification of that polynomial, we will get a one value finally that will become the value of the polynomial. Let's take down question number 3. So they have a given polynomial P of t is equal to t cube minus 1. First, we need to find out P of 1. That means t as a 1 we need to put. So 1 cube minus 1, which is 1 minus 1, 0. So P of 1 value is a 0. Now let's put a P of minus 1. Instead of t, we need to put minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube minus 1. When the minus number is raised to the odd power, then the result is odd only. Result is negative only. When a negative number is raised to the odd power, then the result is negative. So negative 1 cube is nothing but 1 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Next, P of 0. Put 0. 0 cube minus 1. 0 cube is 0 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. Next, P of 2. Let's put 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. Next, P of minus 2, which is nothing but minus 2 whole cube, t cube, no? Minus 2 whole cube minus 1. A negative number is raised to the odd power, so the result is negative. 2 cube is 8 minus 1. So it's a minus 9. Like this, by substituting the different values of the t, we can find out the value of the polynomial. Okay. Let's see the question number 4. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. What is zeros of the polynomial? When you substitute some x value, the polynomial should becomes a 0. So that value, that substitution value is nothing but 0 of the polynomial. Let's take the given polynomial on the board. Question number 4. Given let p of x is equal to x power 4 minus 16 is the polynomial. Okay, they said minus 2 and 2 are the zeros. Let's check. P of minus 2 we will put minus 2 whole power 4 minus 16. When a negative number is raised to the even power, the result is positive. So 2 power 4 is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 minus 16, which is a 0. Therefore, P of minus 2 is 0 of the polynomial. Next, we will do P of minus to P of 2, they said. Let's do P of 2. 2 power 4 minus 16. 2 power 4 is simply 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. Therefore, P of 2 is also, because 2 is also 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Just by substituting the given numbers, we got the value of the polynomial is 0. So we can conclude our answer. It is a 0 of the polynomial. The number is 0 of the polynomial, 2 and minus 2. Next. Check whether 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. Okay. P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. So we need to substitute these two values and check. If we are getting the 0, we can conclude that they are the zeros of the polynomial, or some other else value if we are getting after substitution, then they are not the zeros of the polynomial. Same like the above fourth sum. Let's take it on the board. Question number 5. Given P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. So 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial, they said. Let's put a 3 first. P of 3. 3 square minus 3 minus 6. 3 square is a 9. 9 minus 3 minus 6, which is nothing but 9. Like symbols can be added, same sign follows. 9 minus 9 is 0. Therefore, 3 is 0 of the polynomial. Let's do the next one. P of minus 2. So in place of x, you put minus 2 whole square minus, again x place value, we need to put minus 2 minus 6. So minus 2 into minus 2. 2 square is a 4. Minus into minus plus 2 minus 6. 4 plus 2, like symbols can be added, same sign follows, plus 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Therefore, minus 2 is also 0 of the polynomial. Yes. So in this way, we can solve all the questions. Let's do the exercise 3.2 in upcoming video. Thank you.